Are you in your 30s and wondering how to secure your financial future? Imagine waking up every day knowing you're building wealth, not just surviving paycheck to paycheck. Stick around, because today we're sharing 5 proven strategies that can change your financial life forever. Hi everyone, welcome back to SmartCoin Chronicles, the channel where we simplify personal finance and help you grow your wealth. Today, we're diving into 5 actionable and proven ways to build wealth in your 30s. These strategies will not only give you financial freedom, but also help you live the life you've always dreamed of. So, grab a pen and notebook, and let's get started. Your 30s are a prime time to focus on increasing your income. Here's how. Invest in yourself, take courses, gain certifications, or pursue advanced degrees in your field. Upskilling can lead to promotions or better job opportunities. Negotiate your salary. Many people leave money on the table by not negotiating. Research industry standards and don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Start a side hustle. Monetize your hobbies or skills. Whether it's freelancing, teaching online, or selling handmade products, an extra income stream can accelerate wealth building. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep. Here are tips for effective budgeting. Track every dollar. Use apps like Mint or Y&AB to monitor your spending. Adopt the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Cut back on lifestyle inflation. Just because you're earning more doesn't mean you should spend more. Focus on saving and investing the difference. Debt can be a major roadblock to wealth building. Here's how to tackle it. Prioritize high-interest debt. Use the snowball or avalanche method to pay off credit cards or personal loans quickly. Refinance where possible. Lower your interest rates on student loans or mortgages by refinancing. Avoid new debt. Live below your means and resist the urge to finance unnecessary purchases. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Here's how to get started. Contribute to retirement accounts. Max out your 401k or IRA contributions to take advantage of tax benefits and employer matches. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and index funds. Set it and forget it. Automate your investments to ensure consistency without the temptation to time the market. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. Here are some ideas. Real estate investments. Consider rental properties, ARM EITs, or crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay consistent dividends. Create digital products. Write an ebook, develop an online course, or start a blog that generates ad revenue. And there you have it. 5 proven ways to build wealth in your 30s. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts compound over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to SmartCoin Chronicles for more actionable financial tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which strategy you're excited to try. Until next time, take care and keep building your wealth.